Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。こちらは北海道の水タコです。今日は下処理と茹でるところまでを教わった通り、ぶっつけ本番でやってみます。
This is an arm of a fresh sashimi grade giant Pacific octopus. It was frozen, so we let it sit to thaw in the fridge overnight. Now, rub the octopus with coarse salt for 7 minutes to remove any gooey film or dirt. The amount of salt should be about 2% of the weight of the octopus. The gooey substance have an unpleasant smell, so make sure to remove it completely. This rubbing process takes a lot of work. Interestingly enough, some locals use a laundry machine as a dedicated octopus cleaner. They say washing machines remove the gooey coating quickly and also tenderize the meat. Please do not try this at your local public laundry. The inside of the suckers or between the suckers are not clean, so scrub them with a kitchen scrub brush. We recommend using natural coarse salt with minerals instead of refined table salt. Be sure to rub the octopus for about 7 minutes in total. When the salt rubbing process is finished, rinse the octopus in a bowl with running water. Discard the water and rub it thoroughly under running water again. Thoroughly rub the part where the gooey texture remains. Repeat the rinsing steps for a total of about 7 minutes or about the same time you rub the octopus with salt. You will not be able to enjoy the octopus if it is too salty, so be sure to remove the salt thoroughly at this stage. You can add salt to taste later. Now, the gooey texture has been removed thoroughly. Let's cook the octopus. Boil a generous amount of water in a large pot. Submerge the octopus into the boiling water and cook for about 5 minutes. When the water begins to boil again, cook for about 3 more minutes. The inside should be half cooked, so avoid overcooking it, otherwise it becomes very tough. Now, submerge the octopus into ice water and let it sit to cool. Leaving it hot will make the octopus tough, so cool it quickly. When cooled, pierce the thick part of the arm with the tip of an S-shaped hook and hang it over the sink or bowl. The inside is not cooked completely, so the arm will stretch and straighten from its own weight, making it easy to slice or cut. Now, the octopus has cooled. Let's slice it for sashimi. Cut the arm in half. The half-cooked inside should be translucent. Remove the protruding webbing or skins located along both sides of the arm. Trim off the cut diagonally. Then, slice the octopus as thinly as possible to enjoy the chewy texture. Dip the slice in wasabi soy sauce and enjoy the octopus. It is so juicy and has a chewy texture. So delicious. Enjoy the boiled octopus as sashimi or carpaccio. Discard 5 cm at the tip of the arm and use the thinner part in karaage or takoyaki.
初めて水タコ茹でました。美味しいお刺身いただきます。
The boiled octopus can be stored in the freezer, but we recommend enjoying it as soon as possible. When you are in a hurry to thaw the frozen octopus, submerge it in a bowl with running water for about 15 minutes until softened. Good luck in the kitchen! You should also try our takoyaki octopus tempura.